Hello everyone, I myself Dr. Priyan Gupta, an orthopedic surgeon working at Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Today we are discussing about osteoarthritis knee management at home during this COVID pandemic. And also this video is just for patient education purposes and awareness, nothing else. So osteoarthritis knee. What is osteoarthritis knee? This is let me discuss with this model. This is a knee model, and this is the femur bone, thigh bone. This is the tibia, leg bone. Between these both the bones, there is a meniscus. There is a shock absorber, and there is one cushioning between the joints, which is called cartilage. And these are some ligaments. And this is our patellar bone, with the kneecap. And what happened with age, there are a lot of wear and tear happened in our body, like hairs will become grey. The same happened to our knee. The cushioning between the joint wear out, the meniscus will be thinned out, some bone growth happened called osteophytes. All these things will lead to knee pain and some deformity. During walking we have some limp kind of things. So what happened with as age degenerated and considering this COVID pandemic, it is very difficult to approach a physician or a surgeon physically, and also we can't take lot of medications by our own, which we usually see in people taking the painkiller kind of things. If we take it long for these problems, obviously our other organs may damage or will not work properly. So thing is that how to manage this COVID-19 pandemic, osteoarthritis in this COVID-19 pandemic. So there are some treatment manuals for this osteoarthritis, like lifestyle modification, exercises, and some kind of medications. If these things will not work, obviously the last stage management is the knee replacement surgery. No doubt it is one of the good results surgery nowadays and very commonly done procedure. But thing is that even patient can't approach for these things to the doctor considering COVID-19 pandemic. As if anyone really need a surgery, and if he will approach, no doubt he will land up himself in a risk of COVID, his relatives, and obviously even the doctor will be at the risk of this COVID. So how to manage all these things? There are few things which I like to tell you, that as this is an age related degeneration, so there is no emergency to land up with these kinds of surgeries. There is always other kind of manuals which will postpone the surgery, which will improve your daily routine activities life. So out of this, first is the lifestyle modification. If you notice, you will feel pain mainly while getting up from the sitting position, while using an Indian toilet, which is very commonly used in our Indian population, and while some kind of playing, long standing, long sitting, sitting cross leg kind of thing. So if you notice, all these things are loading our knee. So whenever you decrease the load on our knee, obviously the pain will reduces. Like start using Western toilet. In the societies, we can prefer lift. There are some patients came, they told, sir, we are concerned about our physics, so we are using staircase. So preferably avoid staircase climbing, use lift kind of things. In the lifestyle modification, you can also avoid sitting cross-legged, you can use chairs. So these things include in the lifestyle modification. In short, the activities which will not land up you in a knee pain, you preferably follow those activities. Second thing is that exercises. Again the same principle, if you strengthen your muscles with the help of exercises, obviously the load over the knee will be less and exercises will work. So there are few kinds of exercises like quadricep muscle strengthening exercises, hamstring stretch, and ankle foot strengthening exercises. There are even some hip and ankle mobilization exercises will help in these activities. So if you notice, these exercises will not only reduce your knee pain, but also have impact on your overall health. The heart patient, the diabetic patient, these all will be, these diabetes and all this will be controlled. So thing is that how to get off these exercises, how do you know how these exercises can be done. So in my last video I explained these exercises in quite detail, first thing. Second thing, nowadays there is a very good web-based physical activity. Means if you search exercises for knee osteoarthritis, even on your YouTube channel or even on the Google, you can get these exercises very easily. So you can follow these exercises. Second, you can catch a doctor via online medium so that he can explain you all these things. You can catch a physiotherapist for this so that he can explain you all these things. Also, even if you feel no other mode, you are feeling that it is not possible, I am not able to search anything, very simple thing is just do walking. Walking is very good exercise. A lot of patient tells her how to walk because my knee hurts while walking. So preferably you can, initially days no doubt the exercise and all these things will cause some pain. So you can use simple paracetamol kind of things provided you have no liver issues. So we obviously give some medications in the initial time period so that this pain will be controlled. Or at home you can use simple warm fermentation, हल्की गरम सिकाई जो हम बोलते हैं, simple warm fermentation, some local gel application to reduce the pain, and again the same thing about the loading activities. Like in the walking, some patients are like that, oh I walk comfortably, now we start jog, now we start running. So preferably avoid impact activities like step aerobics, Zumba, these things you should avoid. Now second thing is that yoga. So it is, I think everyone is aware about the yoga exercises. These are mind body exercises and very easily available and accessed in our society also, because every third or fourth person now is doing this yoga exercises. So these exercises are also very helpful. I am not forcing you to do every exercise of yoga, but thing is that if you do those exercises which you are able to do comfortably, that will also change your lifestyle. Okay, so these are the simple points in the exercises and yoga based program and balance training kind of things. So third thing, there are a lot of patients, if you notice, who have these knee arthritis, they are obese also. Though this is age-related degeneration, but if you increase the load on your knee, the pain will increase, the arthritis will happen quite early. So in the obese patient, they should concentrate on the weight loss. Even the study suggests that there is a 21% weight reduction will lead to knee osteoarthritis pain reduction in around 33% of patients who reduce the weight in case of the women's. So we should consider weight loss as a primary maneuver to reduce this knee pain. So we should catch a dietitian to reduce the weight, to follow the weight chart kind of things. We should increase some protein kind of diet. We should decrease the carbs. We should again include the daily walking kind of activities in our daily routine life. So these are the third method to reduce the knee pain, that is a weight loss. And now even some patient tells, sir, I don't think anything's work. Even I am trying to walk, but I am not able to walk comfortably. Then there is one more very good method. Without hesitation, you should start using walking aids like stick, walker. So these things again, they share the load and you will easily able to increase your steps. So start using walking aids. I know a lot of patients hesitate that, sir, I am not that old so that I will use a stick or I will use a walker kind of things. But truly speaking, the walking is mandatory, and these things obviously will strengthen your muscle as well as bone and will reduce the pain. So there are few more methods of all these things like braces. So some patients prefer to use kneecap kind of things. There are some offloading braces available in the market. So these you can try these also, though literature will not support braces much. So again, in the summary, I again concentrate on few points like lifestyle modification, exercises, weight reduction, yoga kind of things, and use of walking aids as well as braces as per your comfort. So in short, I try to complete the conservative management without medications in this video. So try to follow this advice, and if you have any questions, you can even ask on this platform. And I wish good luck to all my patients, as well as please follow all the precautions to prevent from the COVID-19, like wear mask, sanitize your hands repeatedly, and obviously maintain the social distancing. Thank you very much. Take care.